The next subsidiary book is the sales book. Similar to what we had discussed, the details, everything remains similar to the purchase book. The two things that have to be kept in mind are cash sales and sale of asset have to be ignored. Cash sales will not be taken and sale of asset will not be taken. What are we taking here? Credit sale of goods have to be taken. Credit sale of asset will not be taken and cash sale of goods will not be taken. Credit sale of goods have to be taken here in the sales book. The format remains the same. The 10 columns format of the sales book remains the same as the purchase book. The only difference is instead of name of the supplier, here we write the name of the customer. The following columns number 3, 4 till 10, they are the same. Ledger folio, details, the sale, CGST, SGST, IGST and the total amount. That remains the same. Illustration 3 here. First transaction, let us take. In the textbook, prepare a sales book from the following transactions of Navketan Furniture House, Ludhiana, Punjab, assuming CGST at 6% and SGST at 6%. The first detail that is given is sold goods to 5-star furniture company, Patiala, Punjab on credit. The state has to be taken care of because we have to consider the GST. In case it is in Punjab, it is the sales book of Punjab. So in case this is in Ludhiana, this is Patiala, but the state is the same. As long as state is the same, amount of CGST and SGST 6% will be written. In case it is some other state, then it would go to IGST 12%. IGST is total of both 12%. Since this is Punjab only, we will see what is purchased, what has been sold. 150 chairs at 1800 each, 36 tables at 5,000 each, and discount is 20%. Now let us see how it will be recorded. Here the sales book. The columns are the same, 10 columns. Column number 1, date. Column number 2, name of the customer. In the purchase book, we had name of the supplier. In the sales book, we will record name of the customer. The ledger folio and the invoice number. Details, the sale amount, only the sale amount. Output CGST, output SGST, output IGST and the total. Now illustration 3 says the date, 5-star, the name and address of the seller. 5-star furniture company, Patiala. What are we selling? 150 chairs at 1,800 each. Multiply this into this means it is 2,70,000. 36 tables at rupees 5,000 each. This multiply this by this, 1,80,000. Total amount 4,50,000. There is a trade discount at 20%. 20% of this comes to 90,000. Total amount is 3,60,000. 3,60,000 add CGST at 6% of this, 21,600. 6% of this, 21,600, and 4,03,200 is the net amount of sales. Details, the sales are for rupees 360. The net sales are 360. 21,600 is the CGST, output CGST, and 21,600 is the output SGST, and the total amount comes to 4,03,200, and that is how we make the sales book. Are we clear with this? Now girls, now you will do the questions coinciding to this from your textbook. I'll tell you which all questions you will do. The chapter is not difficult. You can understand from the illustration, but the questions have to be done. Question number 3, unsolved question number 3, unsolved question number 1. Question number 1, question number 3. Then you do the purchase return book and the sales return book. I'll do that with you. Till here today, sales book and purchase book. We have done question number 1 and 3 are your homework. I know tomorrow I have given you a test. Remember, I told you I will test you for that business studies that I was giving you 1 mark question test tomorrow. Be prepared for that. And these questions you will do, and these 2 questions you will do and post them to me just now. I will tell you which all roll numbers have to show me the questions. You all do the questions. I will post the roll numbers who have to show their work to me, the homework to me. Okay? All right.